G'day scrappers, just thought I'd do a quick video. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne. Finally we're getting some warmer days. I've got a couple of things in here which I've just sort of picked up. It's not going to be a big video. I want to scrap this out, this little welder, just to see what's in it. Excuse me. Found a PC, some aluminium, microwave, which I'm about to scrap out. There's a few things to go to the scrapyard. And this is what the garage looks like now. What's going on with the cough? Got something in the throat. Okay. So we're cleaning it out. It is a slow process, but we're getting there. Just hard because you're always picking up things and things are adding up and anyway. So what I'll do is I'll get this transformer out and then we'll open that up and see what's in there. Okay, so I've got the transformer out. I did want to ask you guys a question. What do you think of these, and are they worth scrapping? Now I've got a big bucket full of them. In the past I just used to take them off and take all the copper off, but I'm just wondering what your thoughts are. Actually I might do a video, break one up, see how much copper there's actually in it, and just to try and understand if it's worth doing, or just throw it in as they are and get motor money. Right, let me know your thoughts, guys. Do you scrap these or do you just leave them? As you can see, this is why I love microwaves. So easy money. Okay, so I'll just cut these cords and just remove this cover and we'll have a look what's inside. Okay, let's take the cover off, see what we have in here. There you go, guys. Wow, that's chunky. Look at the size of that. It's a nice chunky copper in there. That's a really good size. There you go. Nice big chunky transformer. The good thing about these welders is, look at those cables. That is really good for stripping. So you get really good cables. You got a nice big chunky transformer, and it's really simple. Literally took me a minute maybe to just get that all off, and that's what we're left. So to remove, okay, so you have 4 bolts, 4 screws underneath, and I think we'll have this off and maybe we'll put it on a scale just to see how much it weighs. Okay. Voila, she is out. Okay, before we weigh it, I just thought I'd give you a couple of tips. If you've never pulled one of these apart, this long bolt, to remove it from the transformer, there's a small clip right here, right? So what you want to do, you want to pull that out, and then you can slide the transformer out. So just a tip for you, if you're ever pulling one of these apart and you're stuck and you can't get this thing off, that's what it is. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you guys is, you know how I said, oh wow, look at the size of these copper. Let's have a closer look at this actually. To my surprise, this is not copper. It's actually a very bright color, as you can see, which tells me that is aluminium. Now, I thought, oh, surely this small wire there would be copper, but once again, if you can see, it's very bright in color, which tells you it's aluminium. So how much does it weigh? Well, let's find out. Alrighty, so we have the scale here. Let's put this. Okay, it's on a scale. And what does it weigh? 8.10 kilos. So there you go, guys, 8 kilos. Now this one, like I said, the cable is actually aluminium. There's probably heavier ones. There actually are heavier ones, especially the ones that you, the ones on wheels. But this one here is 8 kilos. There you go, roughly $8 according to today's prices. Alright, so there we have it. Transformer, some metal, these cables, like I said, these are really good, so you want to strip those, and yeah, bit of fun. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna try and scrap that PC there, and maybe go to the scrapyard tomorrow for metal, see if there's any metal around, and we can maybe get enough metal for a slab of beer for Christmas. That would be alright. Alright, see you all very soon.